All right, welcome back to the TownsEnd. It's time to see what we got here. First of all, I want to make sure the rice is warm. But let's pull out the chicken. I know it's done. I left it in for like maybe 5 or 10 more extra minutes. Honestly, that's fine. It looks good. It looks very good. Let me see. Looks pretty good. All right, let me get a knife. There we go. That is cooked perfectly. Beautiful. All right. I heated up the canned corn. Now I'm going to make the plates. And I will do them in a short video. This one's not that long, but I mean literally what they call a short on YouTube. I will do where I show the final plates.